Hello everyone, I am Amit and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about the internship opportunity that has been published by Sharechat and Xiaomi India. Our first internship is from Sharechat. They are looking for backend developers, mobile developers and web developers. They have not specified anything about the eligibility criteria. They have just mentioned that if you are interested in the software technology, then you can apply for this internship. So if you are passing out in any year or you are from any branch, you can apply for this internship. To apply for this internship, you simply need to click the apply button here. And this type of form will open in front of you. You simply need to provide your first name, last name, email, phone number, and you also need to tell them how many months you are available for this internship and what is your semester and what is your area of interest. Then they are also asking for the NOC certificate. The NOC certificate is provided by college in which you are studying. So if your college provide NOC, then enter yes here, and if they do not provide, then select no from here. And after that you need to upload your resume and then you need to simply submit this form. They have not specified anything about the last date for this application form. Means this form is based on registration. When they will reach the certain number of registration, they will automatically close the registration form. So maybe there is a chances that you open the form and this form is not opening, means they have closed the application as they have received the desired number of requests to fill this form. So I will suggest to fill this form as soon as possible. Our next internship is from Xiaomi India. This internship is for business analyst intern. For this internship, they also did not provide any eligibility criteria. So if you are from any year or from any branch, like if you are doing BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, MBA or BBA, then you can apply for this internship if you are interested to work with Xiaomi. And they also did not provide the last date, so this means it is also based on the first come first serve. So fill this form as soon as possible. If you are watching this video, then fill this form, as I have provided the link for both the application form in my video description. Check that out. To fill this form, you simply need to go down and enter your first name, middle name, last name, email ID, and what is your experience. If you don't have experience, then you can enter here 00 as you are fresher, and your phone number, resume, gender, date of birth, and in notice period, it is the period in which in how many days you can join the company if you got selected. Like if you can join the company within 7 days, then you can enter here 7 days. Okay, and then you need to enter your basic detail like education, qualification, year of pass out, and if you are working in any company, you can enter the details regarding that. And then at last you need to enter your current CTC. If you are working in any company, you need to enter your salary in this box here, and what is your expected CTC from the Xiaomi, you can enter here, and then you need to simply submit this form. So as in this video I already told you that both the form are on the basis of first come first serve. Okay, so fill this form as soon as possible, because after some time they will close the registration for this form and you will not be able to fill this form, and you will miss the great opportunity, as both the companies are very giant company. As we know, ShareChat is a video platform, and Xiaomi is we know all the phones maximum is bought is of Xiaomi company. So fill this form as soon as possible. That's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I think these videos are really helpful for you. I am loving your support you are showing toward me. So see you in the next video. So thank you guys.